Thank you for choosing Chameleon headsets. Over the next few minutes, we will be covering the basic components of the headset, how to set up and adapt the headset for your comfort, and how to maximize its performance. Let's begin with the components of a standard one-speaker Chameleon headset. Starting from the top, we have the metal headband. Then on one side, we have the flexible T-bar comfort cushion, and on the other side, we have the speaker, which allows you to hear the customer, the microphone shaft, and the microphone, which allows you to speak to the customer. Continuing down, we have the headset cord, the clothing clip, and the quick disconnect that connects to a Chameleon 10-foot coiled cord which plugs into your telephone or telephone amplifier. Also contained in the headset box, you will find a foam microphone cover which is to be placed on the headset microphone. Doing so will help you soften the harsh S and P sounds, making the call more pleasant for your customer. So now that you are familiar with the components of your headset, let's talk about how to set up and adapt your headset to maximize its comfort and performance. First, you'll want to place the headset on your head. Is it too tight? Too loose? You'll want to make sure that the speaker is centered over your ear. If you find the headset is too tight, remove it from your head and simply grasp the metal headband with both hands. Gently bend it out a little bit at a time until you've achieved the width that is correct for your comfort. If you find it's too loose after you've bent it out, take it off and grasp the T-bar support. Curl it back under towards the speaker or past the speaker if it's really too big. This will restore the original size of the headband. If the speaker is not centered over your ear, simply extend the metal headband in or out from the plastic casing. With the headband in its correct setting and in place on your head, attach the clothing clip to your shirt, allowing for some extra slack above the clip. Doing so will immobilize the headset cord so that it does not pull and tug on the headset while you move your head, which can disrupt the position of your headset. Finally, we will curve the microphone in a smooth C shape along your cheek, ending in 1 to 1.5 finger widths away from your lower lip. This setting is perhaps the most important adjustment on your headset. All Chameleon headsets come equipped with an enhanced noise-canceling microphone. This means that instead of your caller hearing background noise like other agents talking, keyboards typing, fans and printers going, they will only hear your voice. In other words, your customers may assume that you are in a private office. This feature allows you to process your calls faster and more efficiently, taking away the need to say, "Can you please repeat that?" It is because of this noise-canceling feature that the microphone must be placed 1 to 1.5 finger widths away from your lower lip. Any further away and you will start to sound distant to your customer. If you find that your customers are complaining that you are difficult to hear, simply adjust your microphone so that it's closer to your mouth. Doing so allows your customer to hear you clearly. If you need to move your microphone away from your mouth at any time during the day, pivot the microphone shaft up or down. The microphone shaft has a built-in stop mechanism that will only allow you to pivot the microphone down if you wish to wear the headset on the other ear. It will not rotate the full 360 degrees. Finally, we have the quick disconnect. Each quick disconnect, or QD, has spring-loaded, gold-plated contacts in the housing. This provides a secure lock that will not loosen and will remain static-free over the years. Because the QD has a secure lock, it will also not break apart, causing you to drop a call if you accidentally pull on the cord. To disconnect properly, place your finger and thumb on the flat side of each component and break the seal, moving your fingers in a V formation. You will not twist or pull on the QD. Doing so will cause damage to the cord. We define headset performance as the ability to hear and be heard clearly. If you follow these simple instructions, you will maximize the life and performance of your headset while enjoying years of wearable comfort.